Hi, in this lesson, we see how to create call only ads campaign and call extensions in Google Ads. Before that, we have to remember one point that is, call only ads campaign can only appear its ads only on the mobile devices where there is a dialer compatibility. Okay, and call extensions can also appear on other devices like computers where there is a probability of increasing the conversions for the Google Ads. Right, so let's see how to create call only ads campaign. So going into the interface first. So before that, as we have discussed in the previous lesson, everything needs a conversion action in order to track the conversions, right? So let's first create a conversion action. So go to the goals, and here it is the conversion goals. So call only ads campaign, and for the call extensions, conversion action creation is very easy. So you need not to place or you need not to implement any snippets on your website, right? These are just the conversion actions that you can use in the Google Ads itself. So new conversion action, and here in the phone calls. So ours is the first option, right? Calls from ads using call extensions or call only ads. So you click on it and continue, right? So give the name. Here I am giving it as paid media varsity call tracking, right? And here I am giving a value of 100 rupees. Okay, and here I am selecting only one. So for one user it will be counted as only one as a conversion, right? So we have discussed all these options in the conversion action sections in the earlier modules, right? And here one new thing you have to understand is the call length. You can specify what is the call length so that it can act as a conversion or it can count it as a conversion. Let's say a user has called you through your ad, and he has uh, had a conversation for 30 seconds, and in the conversion action you have mentioned that whoever whoever user interacts with your mobile number, or whoever user calls with your mobile to your mobile number and talks for a 30 seconds, then it will be considered as a conversion. If he talks less than 30 seconds, it is not considered as a conversion, right? So you can keep the number of seconds here. Let's say I wanted to consider for 2 minutes. So whoever user talks for 2 minutes, that is for 120 seconds, then it will be considered as a conversion. If he talks for 60 seconds, it won't be considered as a conversion. Here I am keeping it to default. That means if a user talks a minimum of 60 seconds, then it will be considered as a conversion in Google Ads, right? So in order to make this as a conversion, or in order to record this as a conversion, you have to enable call reporting in phone settings. We have discussed in the previous lesson, right? When you enable call reporting, first the caller will go through the Google Ads forwarding number, and from there it will go to the Google server, and from Google server you will get a uh, call, right? So in the Google server it can analyze how much time the user is talking to your executive, so that it can analyze what is a conversion and what is not a conversion, right? And here I am keeping the default of 30 seconds only. So here the click through conversion window, just keep it as 30 seconds, I mean 30 days. So attribution models, currently we only have two attribution models, right? Last click attribution model and data driven attribution model. So, and after you choosing all these sections, just click on create and continue. That's it. Your conversion action is created. You need not to implement any snippets on your website, right? So just click on done and go to the campaigns, and let's create campaigns now. Call only campaign. So create new campaign. So you can select whatever the objective yours is. So if you are selling any products, then you can select sales. If you are selling any leads, okay, if you want any leads, then you can select obviously leads. Okay, so I'm selecting leads here. So you need to make sure you give the proper conversion action. Yeah, phone call leads, and here I'm removing this one. Remove, right? And here we have two for conversion actions: PMV call tracking and paid media varsity call tracking. So previously I have created one more call only ad campaign. So this is the conversion action related to it. If you want to track only this conversion action for this particular campaign, how will you do it? Obviously, you can go to the goal section. Okay, you can separate that conversion action in the custom columns, right? In the custom columns, add a custom column. And in the custom column, let's say paid media per city, call only tracking, call only ads, right? And here what we are doing, we are adding this conversion action and save. So we are using this conversion action now. Okay, so go to the campaigns, create new campaign, leads, so add goal, and in the custom goal, this is the one, right, that we have created. So remove this one, remove, and continue. So it is search, right? Search campaign. So here you need to select whether it is website visits, phone calls, store campaigns, downloads, lead form submission. We have seen all of these options. Right now we are seeing the phone calls. So we need to give the number here only. First give the number. So first you need to select the country India, and the number. 19 11 22 33 double. It is a dummy number. Don't try to call it. And let's name this campaign name lead form, right? So let's keep it as PMV call only ads campaign. Continue. So here you can select the bidding strategy. Everything is all the options are similar. Okay, and here you don't have display network because this call only ads appear only on the search network. Okay, that is why this option is available only for the search campaign subtype. So performance max display campaign, in those campaign types we cannot create call only ads campaign. So you can leave it with, it is up to you whether you wanted to include this search partners or not. Here I am leaving as it is, and make sure you select the appropriate country, right? All locations, and broad match should be turned off. By default, broad match keywords is turning on nowadays. Okay, it is up to you whether you wanted to use it or not. Automatically created assets is off. So this call only campaigns is very useful if you have a store. Okay, let's say your store is open on the weekdays only. In that case, what you can do, you can schedule your campaigns from Monday to Friday from 9 a.m. to evening 6 p.m. You can schedule your campaigns. In that way, you can save a lot of money for advertising, right? So here I am selecting the all days, but it is up to you what strategy you wanted to use, and click on next. So you can skip this, and here just give it as PMV, and here you have to give the keywords. Let's say is paid media varsity, that the keyword you wanted to bid for the call campaigns, and this is the ad you have to create it. Okay, so give the proper keywords before. Let's say paid media varsity call, like this. Okay, and here you have to give the assets. So first thing is you need to make sure that your phone number is correct or not. Okay, and next is the final URL. You have to provide the final URL, right? And next is the verification URL. So why is this verification URL? So when you give this verification URL, Google Ads will check whether the number you have provided is present on your website or not. That means you have to make sure that whatever the number you are giving in this campaign is present in your website also, right? So that is why I have also added a number here. Okay, so likewise, you need to make sure that the numbers are accurate in both Google Ads and on your website. And in the display path, just call now, right? Like this you can give. And for the headlines, so let's take headlines from here. Okay, let's take this one, Java City, and go here like this. And next headline is explore the depths of paid search. You can use this one. Okay, explore the depth of PPC, right? And business name, it is obviously, you can keep this as in a short form. And description, let's take this from the here only. Your gateway to unlock online advertising. This is nice. And next is, let's take this one. Okay, let's take this as a description. Okay. You can create headlines and descriptions from the website only if you have practicing. Okay, and here you need to select the conversion action again. So this is the one, right, that we have created. Paid media varsity call tracking. This is not, which is the one that we have created. Yeah, this is the one only, right? This is the one. So here also you need to select the conversion action that you have created. Here this is conversion action, not the conversion goal. Okay, please remember, right? And click on done. That's it. Your call only ad campaign is implemented. Give the budgets, and here let's give it as 100 rupees per month. Okay, and click on next. So creating the call only ads campaign and call extensions are very easy. Okay, this is a very simple campaign type. Only thing you have to understood is you need to give the proper mobile number of your business, right? And publish campaign. That's it. So, right, I hope you have understood how to create this call only ad campaign. So please remember that this call only ad campaign only appears on the mobile networks. Okay, only on the mobile phones, on the search network. That's it. Nothing, not on other devices, right? So wherever there is a mobile dialer, phone dialer compatibility in those devices, your ads will appear. That's it. So next we see the how to create the call asset. We have seen this in the call extensions lesson. So let's see once again. This won't take much time. So you need to click on the call, here call asset, and click on the create button. Okay. So you can give at three different levels: account level, campaign level, and ad group level. Whatever the level you wanted to give, you can give it. So let's say I wanted to give it at the account level, and select the country first. Is India here, and yes, this is the number, right? 9, 1, 2, 2, 3, 4. And you need to select the conversion action, right? You can also schedule how to run this call asset. Okay, call asset or call extension. So don't get confused between them. So both are same. And click on save. That's it. Your call asset is created. So whenever you get a call, and if a user talks more than 60 seconds, that will be recorded as a conversion. So when you turn on call reporting, the main advantage is Google algorithms will understand who are the users that have converted, so that these algorithms will try to bring the similar kind of users to your business, right? So I hope you have understood this lesson, how to create these call only ads campaign and call extensions in the Google Ads. So I suggest you to create this in your Google Ads account as well once, so that you will understand how to create and how to manage these campaigns. So we will meet in the next lesson.